Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to remove anodizing from aluminium and restore it to its original color. To begin, what exactly is aluminium anodizing? Aluminium anodizing is the electrochemical treatment of an aluminium surface to form a protective layer of aluminium oxide. As a result of sun exposure or other environmental factors can cause anodized aluminium to discolor or fade. Let's get started with our anodizing removal process. Oh yes. Before I forgot, this is the material that we use. First one, oven cleaner. Second, container. That's all. Just these two materials we need. Okay, let's back to our work. First step, clean it. Make sure to thoroughly clean the area where you intend to remove the anodizing. Second step, leave the part in the oven cleaner chemical for about 15 minutes. And as you can see, it starts working. Finally, wash over the area where you remove the anodized and ta-da! Here's how it appears. So as you can see, this is the matte finishing. You can polish it to make it more shine. And this is how it looks like after polishing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like our content. See you in next video.